This is a replacement 20 amp charger that I've received from Hobby King. I've just opened it and the off switch is cracked. You can have a look, it won't turn off. This is a replacement part for an original GT Power RC 20 amp power supply unit. As you can see, I've just unboxed it. Still in the shrink wrap. And used temper seals around the power supply point. And apparently, this quality control passed. Oh, there it is. The switch is cracked. It's a part of the on-off rocker switch. And at the moment, it's jammed to on. Can't switch it off. This is the second time I've had problems with this. I'm now going to submit this onto YouTube for Hobby King's appraisal of what we're going to do next. I'd just like a power supply unit. Thanks for watching.